Hey, do you know the only thing that's worse than being called? Not being called. All the times that you want someone to actually call you and then they don't. Well, I'm not getting any younger. And because I'm not getting any younger, you probably should quickly hit that subscribe button. Here's a simple way to make more money and help your business out. It's an easy one, but also something a lot of people miss. Are you ready? It's really quite a simple little tip. Here it is. Follow up. When someone hands you a business card, give them a call and also the opportunity to buy from you. When someone sounds interested, hand them a brochure or your card, get their email, and send them one later on, properly introducing yourself. A lot of times people are interested, but they need a little bit of help. So you can call them or message them, just something simple. You could say, "Hey, it was nice to meet you. You were asking about one of our products or services." It doesn't need to be all that profound. Just give them the opportunity to talk to you. You'll be surprised how many people lose very easy sales just because they don't follow up. It may be old school, but picking up the phone to someone that wants to talk to you is the best marketing tip you'll ever get. We'll see you next time.